Hello there! Welcome to the Movavicom vlog. Daria here. Good to have you back. Now that you're here, you most definitely know that every now and then we talk about the magic of shooting and editing tricks, right? Today's episode is on POV videos, which stands for point of view, or first-person videos. Now the Movavicom vlog team has one in its own collection. Wanna take a look? Cool, isn't it? Those videos can be truly dynamic and action-packed. POV videos are also known as subjective camera videos. They are entirely shot from a first-person perspective. These types of videos have an apparent advantage. You can look all you want at the time of shooting because no one gets to see your face. Okay, I got a bit carried away. First, let me tell you a few things about the features of this genre. And hello, video games fans! Viewing the world through the eyes of the main character is a common thing for gamers. They roam around, engage in fierce fights, hunt for Viking treasure, and whatever else they do. Thanks to first-person shooting, there is an enhanced feeling of engagement and actually being in a given place. This trick is also used in the music industry at times. Here. Okay then, does it mean that if I'm not obsessed with video games and I'm far from being a musician, I won't be able to experience what a POV video feels like? Nope! Plenty of YouTubers with their own channel will tell their subscribers where they go, what they eat, how great they are at parkouring, surfing, cycling, and who they get to see on the way. Travel vloggers are just crazy about first-person format videos. They put on a GoPro cam and show their movements around breathtaking scenery all over the world. With the help of a subjective camera, they can convey the vision of the world. In cinematography, a subjective camera is rarely used as the primary shooting method. One exception comes to my mind right away, however, and that's a Russian-American science fiction action film called Hardcore Henry. Matroshka, Babushka, Balalaika. It was released in 2015. What did you just get to see? Yep, action, merciless fights, dynamics, total chaos, and a major mess. Aren't you feeling it too? Most commonly, a subjective camera is used for continuous action, maintaining the sensation of being there or raising suspense, that feeling of nervousness you get when you're waiting for something to happen. Also, movies are sometimes shot from a first-person viewpoint to keep viewers in the perspective of the person holding the camera. Another use is to create the effect of an amateur recording, which miraculously remains safe after a creepy event. As you can see, first-person shooting is used when the movie genre is action, horror, detective, or something with a crime theme. I'm pretty sure it'll work out for you just fine if you're going to capture your active days or how you travel to various parts of the world. Think the location through in advance, just as well as your actions. We've decided to choose an apartment, park, cafe, streets, and the seashore. For videos of this type, you just can't do without an action camera or a cell phone with a secure mounting. Check out what we picked! So, you need to use a wide-angle camera so that the viewer can see your arms, like in this example. An action camera will be your best option, but you might use your cell phone too if you securely fasten it around your chest. But don't fall into the trap of thinking that the wider the angle is, the better. As strange as it may seem, an image with a fisheye effect like this one really isn't suitable for a POV video. The most organic shot is going to be the one with outstretched arms, while the viewer gets to see the arms up to the elbows. If your action camera is capable of choosing a frame format, do it right. Avoid going for the widest angle. Well, now everything is sorted with the camera. What's next? You might pick a head strap camera mount for your action camera, but we'd recommend a chest mount harness as the better option. And here is why. First off, your video will be more stable, because your head is a very active part of your body and the image is likely to jump all over the place. Secondly, the shooting angle is better if you fasten the camera to your chest. If you don't like either a chest mount harness or a head strap camera mount, how about this option? If you're creative enough, you'll most probably be able to make a fastening like this for POV videos yourself. Quite often, a POV video looks like just a random collection of shots, but these videos do have a plot. And here is why you should work up a script in the very beginning stages. Then there are the people who participate in various scenes. We also recommend you select your cast ahead of time. We deliberately made a few scenes displaying how I hug my friends and give them a high five when meeting. And now we're going to show you how we ended up with this dynamic video with the help of almighty editing.
Let's open up Movavi Video Editor. We'll drag the different clips onto the timeline. Snip, snip. We've cut out all the extra parts. Trust me, when you shoot with a subjective camera, you're likely to end up with a lot of footage you will not want to use. We recommend you to keep your scenes short. If you're considering a change of location, make sure you apply splices and transitions between scenes. This way. If you want to learn more on that, check out the link in the description. Now it's time to add some music. Originally, my video was supposed to be lively and dynamic. That's why I'll take this track. But if you're making a lyrical video, peaceful music is the best option. By the way, it nearly slipped my mind that Movavi has some new effect sets that are truly fabulous. I've already installed one of these sets. And now I'm going to use titles from this set. They'll be just right for a POV video, especially if you're shooting something with a lot of action. With this effect set, you can express your feelings, highlight some objects, and get the augmented reality experience. Look, I'm a cyborg! I'll grab this one. Let's take some more transitions and stickers from new sets.
Guys, how cool is this, huh? Especially now that we have new effect sets that Movavi has designed, and you can use them to create the atmosphere of holiday, cyberspace, various seasons, and a whole lot more. They are totally adorable. But as the saying goes, you never know until you try. Maybe when you do, you see why I'm so excited. Well, I'll leave a link in the description. Our recent episode on transitions and splices may be also very helpful for your POV video. You can watch it here. I'll be on top of the world if you like this video, and also smash the subscribe button, because we've got plenty of helpful tips on video and photo shooting and editing coming soon.